Thank you, Master of Ceremony, Mr. Barnabas Mahuma, Mr. Bame Pule, Mr. Joe Unsando, and Mr. Chris Mukhwari. Ladies and gentlemen, all protocols observed, and Dumelang. At the outset, I convey the apologies of Mr. Motsidisi, the CEO, who had a sudden engagement, so he could not come. And you are starting an insurance brokerage. In your insurance terminology, let me say, Mr. Motsidisi is the underwriter, I am the broker. So I am bringing his policy to you, his speech to you. Take. Okay. Is it fine? This is his speech. It is perfect in insurance market. Is it fine? Thank you. Sorry for that. It's an honor to officiate such a momentous occasion to formally launch Minet Botswana, which previously traded as Aon Botswana and has been leading insurance broker in our local market for some time now. Ladies and gentlemen, much has already been said by the speakers before me about the background, history, performance and future direction and induced goals of Minet Botswana, all of which is enthralling. As a regulator, my remarks will primarily be from a regulatory perspective and other issues of note. The regulatory authority's mandate is to oversee the orderly development and efficient operations within the non-bank financial sector, which has grown steadily over the years to a position. Currently, it represents 54% of the domestic financial sector. In that regard, it is important that business continue to adhere to the rules to ensure the safety and soundness of the entire industry, uphold the highest standards of conduct, market conduct, as well as run their businesses in a fair and efficient manner. Colleagues, I wish to take this opportunity to share with you the regulator's posture regarding some further pertinent issues. The regulatory authority has commenced the implementation of the new corporate strategy 2021-26. We do normally 5-year strategies. That places greater emphasis than previously on its role in market development. One of the strategic intent is to enable and stimulate growth of the industry through effective regulation and supervision in line with national economic priority. Furthermore, the regulatory authority is poised to promote good market conduct by continuing to monitor compliance by NBFIs and ensuring that customer queries are resolved in a timely manner. The primary aim is to bolster confidence in the sector by members of the public. Also, the regulatory authority strategy places emphasis on inclusivity, particularly financial inclusion, which is prominent contemporary issue in the financial services sector locally and internationally. As a regulator, it is our responsibility to establish regulatory frameworks and supervisory approaches that are proportionate and seek to include small and medium-sized players and give access to all segments of the population. Equally, NBFIs are expected to develop innovative product offering. Thanks, you mentioned innovation. Innovative product offerings geared towards inclusivity. Turning to this morning's business, Minute Botswana is the product of well-controlled growth, whether by acquisition or utilization of own resources to expand. Such growth will no doubt have occurred in a regulated environment. I am therefore satisfied that going forward, as in the past, the business will continue to play by the rules. It is especially pleasing to note that Minute Botswana has been part of and continue to be a significant player in the local market. Henceforth, Minute intends to focus on adopting a broad range of locally developed innovative solutions underpinned by flexible service-driven culture to ensure a secure tomorrow. It's not possible to talk about the financial service sector without referring to the COVID event, which has had such an unprecedentedly large impact on the sector across the world. In response to the pandemic, businesses, local and elsewhere, have explored creative means of serving their customers and staying afloat. See the opportunity in adversity. Because COVID brought all virtual meetings and all these possibilities. In that regard, a notable development has been the accelerated adoption of technology and digital platforms to overcome the difficulties posed by COVID. The widespread and swift adoption of technology brought with its increasing cyber security risks and associated data protection challenges. I understand from internet that Minute Group also provide products on cyber security. So this is a good thing. This is the need of the day. As the public become increasingly informed about insurance products and services as well as their rights, their expectations are going to service delivery, information disclosure, and product diversity have also risen. I like to add, like you mentioned, the simplified products. That should be the insurance being a complex industry. Simplification may be welcome. As you are aware, the regulator intervenes to address complaints that have been escalated to its attention by dissatisfied customers of regulated entities. I therefore implore you to adhere to the principles of good market conduct and fairness. Eventually strive to provide exemplary customer service that goes beyond the onboarding of clients. I like to appreciate Minute. I understand in Kenya it got an award recently for being customer centric. I hope they will repeat it in the Botswana. In pursuit of our common objectives of orderly markets, the growth, the regulatory authority stands ready as a partner with the sector. Of course, without blurring the borders of our respective responsibilities within the existing legal framework. In conclusion and as a reminder, it has been said many times before that regulation and supervision is not substitute for good and proper corporate governance by regulated entities, which is ultimate. Neither does it guarantee that business will prosper, let alone survive. However, by working together, we can significantly reduce the prospects of adverse outcomes. In conclusion, I wish all the best to this new offspring May Minute Botswana prosper and grow to be a formidable player in Botswana and beyond, bringing new light to innovation, simplified products, citizen empowerment, and all this. Thank you. Thank you very much.